Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa and in this video I'm going to show you the product called as Renning. So this Renning is a globes guys which IKEA sells, and I purchased it from IKEA store. And why I take this product out to you, because as during this pandemic time we are aware that we definitely need a good quality of globes, not to go out, but to whenever you are using or cleaning something at your home, or maybe cleaning dishwashing, or maybe your car washing or anything. You definitely use a additional safety item on your hand, so that your hand will be clean, or your hand will not get additional or any bacteria which is there on the surface. So everybody knows why to use a globe, so I don't need to explain that guys. The MRP is guys 125 rupees in Indian currency, but I got it for $1.1, maybe around 80 rupees or 85 rupees. Maybe if you are a US citizen, or if you are purchasing from US, it will be around, you will get it for $1. So I saw multiple reviews of this product, and this is quite useful, and it is quite a good product which will last at least longer guys. So the reason of purchasing this is, maybe I want one of my globes to last longer whenever I clean my car or my dishes or something. Whenever you are utilizing or whenever if you are cleaning your home also, you can definitely put this globes and then use it or clean it. So guys, it is made in China. Most of the IKEA products are made in China, and product I told you, it is Renning, and the measurement is measurements are not mentioned anywhere, but it has two packs on a left and a right. So let us quickly open it. So guys, in the market you will definitely see multiple globes of different price and different qualities as well, but this globes provides you a long maybe the length is quite more, which will cover your almost half of your hand, and the quality of the rubber used here. So if you see the quality of the rubber, it will tear, but it will last longer. So we want some globes which basically can last longer. And if you see the material which will go to the surface and which will contact the surface is having some dots in it. If you see it closer guys, you'll be able to see. So I guess you're able to see these dots will make your surface, maybe it will be helpful whenever you're cleaning it. It will make your surface also clean properly, and you don't need to use some additional scrubber or something. It will work as a scrubber as well. So using it is quite easier, and the inside is very frictional. It has good friction, so that your hand will also go inside it easily. And let me quickly use it. So this is helpful whenever you are cleaning or washing, as I told you earlier. Yeah, so see, I used it, and the rubber material is quite handy guys, so that you can use any of you can hold any of the product easily. So even if I can hold my mobile easily. So the rubber will slowly, it will get to your, it will get to you will get to used to this slowly guys. And you can utilize it for the right hand as well. One is for left hand and the other one is for the right hand. As you see guys, this is on my one hand, and it completely fits better, and I can work on anything that I want. So, and it is little bit tight because of the material that is used inside. And my intention of making this video is to get to know, just to show you the quality of globes that IKEA sells. It is a good quality product, and you can definitely go ahead and purchase it if you want a good quality globe guys. I hope this is helpful, and do hit the like button if you like this video. Purchase link will be on the description section. If anyone from India wants to get this product delivered at your hometown or home place, let me know. Put the if you want, definitely send me an email. I will try to deliver that at your home as well with some delivery charges. So guys, thank you and thanks for watching, and take care guys. Bye.